Today, most customers search online before they call, visit, or buy from a business. When someone searches for your products or services, your website may be their first impression of your company. A professional website helps customers understand who you are, what you offer, where you operate, and how they can contact you. It can build trust, answer common questions, display your products or completed projects, and generate inquiries throughout the day. In this guide, you will learn how to create a professional website for your small business. Let us begin with the most important question. Why does a small business need a website? Some business owners depend only on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or other social media platforms. Social media is useful for promotion, but it should not completely replace a business website. A social media account belongs to the platform. Its rules, reach, features, or access can change at any time. A website gives your business a permanent online presence that you control. It can display complete information in an organized and professional way. Your website should not be only an online brochure. It should guide visitors toward a clear action. That action may be calling your business, sending a WhatsApp message, requesting a quotation, booking an appointment, getting directions, or submitting an enquiry. Before building the website, decide its main purpose. For example, a furniture company may want customers to view products and request quotations. A clinic may want patients to learn about services and book appointments. A restaurant may want customers to view the menu, location, and opening hours. A consultant may want visitors to understand their expertise and schedule a meeting. Once the purpose is clear, the next step is choosing a professional domain name. A domain name is the address people type to visit your website. Choose a name that is short, easy to spell, easy to remember, and closely connected to your business name. Avoid unnecessary numbers, complicated spelling, and very long names. A clear domain name looks more professional on business cards, advertisements, email signatures, and social media profiles. The next step is choosing reliable website hosting. Website hosting is the service that stores your website and keeps it available online. Good hosting should provide reliable performance, security, regular backups, technical support, and enough storage for your website. Very cheap hosting may cause slow loading, frequent downtime, or poor support. The website should then be planned carefully. Most professional small business websites need several important pages. The home page introduces the business and guides visitors toward the next action. The About page explains the company's background, experience, values, and strengths. The Services page describes what the business provides. A Products page may be useful for companies selling furniture, equipment, food, clothing, or other products. A Portfolio page can display completed projects, before and after photographs, or examples of previous work. A Testimonials page can show genuine customer feedback. A blog can answer customer questions and support search engine visibility. The Contact page should provide every important way to reach the business. A Privacy policy page may also be required, especially when the website collects personal information through forms. The home page is one of the most important parts of the website. The first section should immediately explain the business. It should clearly show the company name, main service, customer type, location, and a strong call to action button. For example, a furniture company may use this message: professional office, home, laboratory, and educational furniture solutions in Oman. Request a quotation today. A visitor should not need to search through several pages to understand what the company does. The main message should be visible within a few seconds. The website should also explain each important service clearly. Whenever possible, create a separate page for every major service. A furnishing company may create pages for office furniture, home furniture, laboratory furniture, educational furniture, auditorium seating. A clinic may create separate pages for each treatment. A contractor may create individual pages for construction, maintenance, renovation, and interior work. Separate service pages help customers find detailed information. They also help search engines understand the website. Every page should contain a clear call to action. Useful buttons include Call Now, WhatsApp, Request a Quotation, Book an Appointment, Send an Enquiry, View Products, and Get Directions. These buttons should be visible and easy to use, especially on mobile phones. A professional website must be mobile-friendly. Many customers visit websites using smartphones. The website should automatically adjust to different screen sizes. Text should remain readable. Buttons should be large enough to tap. Menus should be simple. Images should fit properly without forcing visitors to zoom or scroll sideways. Website speed is also very important. A slow website can frustrate visitors and cause them to leave. Use compressed images, reliable hosting, optimized code, and only the features that are genuinely necessary. Avoid adding too many animations, videos, pop-ups, or plugins that make the website heavy and confusing. Professional photographs can make a major difference. Use genuine photographs of your office, shop, showroom, team, products, equipment, and completed projects whenever possible. Real images help customers understand the business and build trust. Unrelated stock images may look attractive, but they can make the website feel less genuine. Branding should remain consistent throughout the website. Use the same logo, brand colors, fonts, and visual style on every page. The website should match your business cards, social media pages, quotations, and other marketing materials. Complete contact information should be easy to find. Display the main telephone number, WhatsApp number, email address, physical location, opening hours, Google Maps location, and social media links. Use the same information across your website, Google business profile, social media accounts, and trusted directories. Different phone numbers, addresses, or opening hours can confuse customers. Trust-building elements are also important. Add genuine customer reviews, completed project photographs, certifications, warranty details, frequently asked questions, company registration information, and clear policies where appropriate. Client logos may also be displayed when permission is available. These details help visitors feel more confident before contacting your business. Your website should also follow basic search engine optimization practices. Search engine optimization, or SEO, helps search engines understand your website. Use clear page titles, helpful headings, natural service keywords, descriptive image text, internal links, and useful content. Do not repeat the same keyword unnaturally. Write for real customers first. The website should also connect with your Google business profile. Add the website address to the verified profile. Make sure the business name, address, phone number, services, and opening hours match across both platforms. This consistency can improve customer confidence and support local visibility. Publishing useful local content can also help. Write articles that answer real customer questions. A furniture company may publish guides about choosing office furniture, planning a school laboratory, selecting auditorium seating, or organizing storage areas. A restaurant may explain menu options, catering services, or local events. A clinic may publish general educational information about its services. Helpful content can demonstrate experience and attract relevant visitors. Website security must never be ignored. Use an SSL certificate so the website loads with HTTPS. Choose strong passwords. Keep the website software updated. Use malware protection. Create regular backups. Limit administrator access to trusted people. Security protects the business and its customers. You should also measure how the website performs. Website analytics can show how visitors find the site, which pages they view, what devices they use, and which services attract attention. Google Search Console can help identify search performance and technical problems. Use this information to improve the website over time. Avoid common website mistakes. Do not hide important contact information. Do not use very small text. Do not overload pages with unnecessary content. Do not leave broken links or outdated information. Do not use low-quality photographs. Do not copy content from competitors. Do not depend on excessive animations. Do not forget the mobile version. Most importantly, do not create a website without a clear call to action. A professional website also requires regular maintenance. Review the website frequently. Update services, photographs, completed projects, opening hours, contact details, staff information, security software, and policies. A website that has not been updated for several years may reduce customer confidence. A strong small business website should be attractive, fast, mobile-friendly, secure, easy to understand, and designed to generate genuine customer inquiries. It should clearly explain the business, display its services, build trust, and make contacting the company simple. Djeema Digital Marketing helps small businesses with professional website design, search engine optimization, Google Business Profile optimization, digital business cards, and social media marketing. Visit djeema.com and subscribe for more practical digital marketing tutorials.